Are you ready to make cooking easier, tastier, and stress-free? Meet the Crock-Pot. 7-quart oval manual, slow cooker, your ultimate kitchen companion for effortless meals. Whether you're feeding a crowd or prepping a hearty roast, this slow cooker is designed to make your life easier. With its sleek stainless steel finish and generous 7-quart capacity, it's perfect for serving over 9 people or cooking a 7-pound roast with ease. Not only is it functional, but it also looks great on your countertop. The Crock-Pot offers multiple features to simplify your cooking experience. With high, low, and warm settings, it gives you the flexibility to cook a variety of meals to perfection. The removable stoneware insert is microwave and oven safe up to 400 degF, allowing you to easily transfer it from the slow cooker to the table or oven. Cleanup is a breeze as both the stoneware and lid are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Imagine coming home to a tender, flavorful roast or a delicious soup, all cooked to perfection while you were at work or running errands. That's the beauty of the Crock-Pot. You can set it, forget it, and return to a meal that's ready to enjoy. Don't just take my word for it. Here's what happy customers are saying. One reviewer raved, durable, reliable, and perfect for entertaining. Another customer shared, it's large enough for roasts and cleanup is a breeze. And a third said, a true game changer for family meals. The Crock-Pot isn't just a slow cooker. It's a tool that saves you time, energy, and money while helping you create delicious, home-cooked meals. Whether you're a busy professional